Yeah, I'll never wait. I look on my life, I look on my dreams, I won't hesitate. Since I was 13, I always believed, cause I never wait.
What happened?
Your bag's hanging on your tire.
Oh, shit. Oh my god. Well, whoever placed this here fucking sucks. Okay, so now the question is, where can I get bolts around here? How am I gonna wire this though? I'm gonna need to like put it right there. That should do it. Ride with no plate and head to Napa. Oh, well, I guess I passed Napa, but I found advanced auto parts, so I guess that's a win. Alright guys, I'll be back. Hopefully everything goes well. Hope for me guys, hope for me. Alright you guys, we did it. We got the plate back on. She's sitting there nice and alright. Not straight, I guess I could bring that side up a little more, but she's sitting there good. We're gonna go guys, we're good to go. Thankfully that cop saw what was happening, because it didn't seem like anybody else was gonna tell me the thing that I was looking for. He noticed that I was looking around like, what is that noise? You always gotta hit left-hand turns hard. Oh wow, that one kind of hurt me a little bit. Guys, it is actually really nice outside right now. I love it. This weather feels so good. Oh my god, it's so freeing. Today was a good day to ride, guys. No matter what happened, today was a good day to ride. You gotta stay positive, know what I'm saying? The negative already passed. It's okay. What happened, happened. All we gotta do is live in what's going on right now. Live in the moment. And the moment is beautiful. Oh, okay. I know where I'm at right now. What car is that? That's an Alfa Romeo, ain't it? The one with the little diamond right there? Or triangle? Wow, I don't know shapes. I didn't go to college. Whoa, Jesus Christ. What the fuck was that? Holy shit. Whew. God damn. What was that? Nice. Man, why did he give me like one of those like big waves? Like, yeah, whatever. He was just like, flick. Like, yeah, what's up? Like, yeah, whatever. Keep going, peasant. You suck. I'm better than you. You're on a sport bike.
6.5 hours later.
You're a loser. Don't talk to me. I guess I have to. Hey, what was that? Guys, remember when I said I think I know where I'm at? Scratch that, I got no idea where I'm at. It's a giant ice cream! That's essential personnel? Really? That's who they're making work? What? We're in this crazy pandemic, and that's the guy that they're allowing to work? That's insane. I don't know if he hates his life or loves his life. Guys, fun fact of where I'm at. I actually had left my key locked in my car when I was at that Advanced Auto Parts, my first time coming down to Virginia ever. I ended up coming over here, getting gas, almost locking it in here, and then I went over there, got whatever I had to get. I think something was wrong with my car at the time, but it was still well enough to drive. And then I locked my key and didn't have a spare key because I wasn't from here, and we had to break in with a Slim Jim. We got in, and actually on the way back to Jersey from that trip, I left my key locked in my car again at a gas station in Maryland, and It was just a bad day. I had to break my window. But guys, that's pretty much gonna cut it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, make sure y'all leave a like and a sub down below. Leave a comment. Y'all already know I love comments. Definitely reply to all of them. Also, make sure y'all go check out my Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. I post some cool stuff over there, and again, I'm gonna interact with you guys over there, so that'd be awesome. But other than that, I'm Rascal, guys, and I'll see y'all later.
Y'all thinking I'ma fall off? I'm Thomas the Engine. 2 seconds, you get your rocks off. That's right, I said you're all soft.